ultimate 6-degree cold start. We've got 11.2 volts, and the temperature of the coolant is 23 degrees. The van barely wanted to start, and we've got a check engine light on. Let's see how this goes. Should I? No, this will be full on. It'll do it on its own. Oh my god. Oh, just touching the steering wheel is too cold, dude, and the van would barely start. Oh, it started really rough. Oh, no, poor car. Poor car. Oh, this is the heaviest power steering. Oh, it smells. Oh my god. Oh. The van's, the LCD display in the van is so cold that it actually turned yellow. It has a yellowish tint on the back, the white light. And it actually is taking a minute for the little words and stuff across the screen to load up. Oh my god, I need my gloves. Come back. Come back. Oh, it's cold too. Oh, you gotta get it out there though, or he's gonna smoke this whole place up. Oh, is it gonna go in gear? Of course not. Let it warm up a little bit. So cold. We're gaining a temperature of a mildly nice 55-degree day in 1955, which would have been great. I always wanted to go, if I could go time travel anywhere, I would want to time travel to like the 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s. You know, maybe even the 90s, you know, see what was going on when this was made. But yeah, as you can see what I was talking about. Garage steams up, everything starts smelling funny. Let's go. Let's go. The freaking wrong gear. Put it in fucking neutral. Yeah, put it in neutral. There we go. Oh, please go. Oh, please go. I'm sorry, car. I'm very sorry. I'm very, very sorry. I didn't mean to do this to you. You don't deserve it. Oh! We got the freaking check engine. Really? Okay. I'll just sit in reverse for a little bit. Oh, please work. Oh, they still work. They're so loud, though. Ah! Go into gear. Thank you. Oh, it's so loud, though. That was an extreme cold start. We'll do anything to make it heat up. Ah! You got the rear defroster on in this, and the AC, or the heat, whatever you want to call it's on. And you got the little buttons right there. Tell you what's on. You got that. I don't know what code it's reading. It just got sunny out. That means it's a good day. But yeah, we got like a good inch probably-ish of snow. And it's just like I said, it got down to like 6 degrees. This is off though. I'm gonna check and see if I can get the thermometer thing fixed, because the actual like thermometer metal thing saying 6. I don't know, it could just be used to the garage. The garage is usually a little warmer, but if that's right, still not much. Oh my god. We'll go check on the van real quick. Let this do what it wants. Burn some gas. Let's go check out. Hear any? This is so quiet. Oh my god, it's warm in here though. Oh yeah. But yeah, like the LCD, it's not loading as quick as it should. It's taking its time. Ah yeah. That poor rear wiper motor was trying to detach itself all last night. And like it seems as if the only vent actually working, they were shut. Oh man. Oh, it's cold. Yep, there we go. So, yeah, just more cold starts coming soon, I guess.